doing today? My name is Shay. How to keep your vagina pH balance on point. Now, I understand that most females like to wear thongs and like to wear Victoria's Secret panties, like non-cotton kind. But y'all, that's not good for your vagina. Your vagina is a very sensitive area, okay? So it is very important to wear cotton underwears at all times. Go ahead and wear that sexy outfit, but don't go to sleep with no thong on, because you're gonna wake up with a yeast infection, period. Okay, now if you want to smell nice for your man, that's fine, but what's not fine is that you use things like this on your vagina. This is Bath and Body Works. Here's the ingredients. Do y'all see how many ingredients is on there? That's a whole lot going on that sensitive area down there. That's way too much. Do not use this stuff on that area. Your vagina is supposed to smell like water. It's supposed to smell like air. It's not supposed to have a good smell. As a female, we come with our own natural scents, okay? You have to accept what God gave you. Don't put this stuff on your vagina using spray. Like, don't use this stuff for your vagina. It's not good for you. Now, it's okay to spray it like behind your ear or on your neck or something like that, your arms, your back, whatever, but do not put this on your vagina. 2021, yo, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. Me personally, when I even wash my clothes, I use scented laundry soap for like my shirts, my bras, you know, my socks, things like that. But like my underwears, like my shorts, pants, anything that goes on my bottoms do not get washed in none of that stuff. My stuff get washed in unscented Tide. I use unscented Tide and I use the unscented fabric softener for my pants and underwears, because sis, that perfume can break you out, number one. For the laundry soap, it can break you out. Number two, it can cause bacterial vaginosis. A bacterial vaginosis is the imbalance of your pH, and you do not want to walk around here with that. BV is very uncomfortable. I was using stuff like this on my vagina. This stuff is not good. Don't do that. No, not at all. This soap right here is what I use. Very old box though, like it was packed up in my closet, but unscented Dove soap for sensitive skin is what I use. This right here I use for my body. I use this for my whole body, and I use this afterwards for smooth skin. Okay, sis? I also have 2 rags. So I have 2 rags. I have one for my vagina and I have one for my body. You never want to use the same rag that you use for your body on your vagina. I do not use sprays. I do not use lotions. I don't use anything that has a scent down in my vagina no more. I used to. Don't spray this stuff on your pants. Don't spray this stuff on the front of your vagina. Don't spray it nowhere near down there. Look at this. Oh
my Lord Jesus.
Look at this. Do y'all see this paragraph? That's the ingredients. And y'all putting this stuff down there? Oh my God, that's ridiculous. Don't put that down there, yo. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. I've been there, done that, and sis, that was the most uncomfortable feeling I've ever felt in my life. So this right here, look at this. Less ingredients. Look at that. Look at the difference. This is the ingredients right here. I use this stuff after I lather up my body with this stuff. I will use this stuff for my body only, and I do not allow it to touch my vagina or my butt. Don't even use this stuff for your butt. Don't put nothing down there. Only unscented soaps. You can use this for shaving, but just don't put it on your vagina. Don't do it. Let me say this. Oh my goodness. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, hold on. So look. Bam. This right here, sis. If you don't have this today, go get you some. I got mine from Myers for like 14 bucks. Probiotics is very good for the vagina pH. It helps stop recurrent BVs. It helps stop yeast infections. It keeps your pH balance on point. So sis, go get you some. I take so many vitamins a day, it's ridiculous. I take this stuff every single day. And it's also good for, like, you know, IBS, if you have IBS. But definitely get you some probiotics, sis. This is good for your vagina health and your overall health. For God's sakes. Use Dove or Olay. It's highly recommended. The doctor actually recommended that I use this stuff, and I've been using it ever since. Nothing of these natures goes on your vagina. None of this stuff. None of it. Totally prefer that you use a no-scented petroleum jelly to moisten up down there, okay? But don't use none of that stuff. They need to put a warning label on all this stuff. It says do not use in your vagina. Take your probiotics, take your biotin, take all of that stuff. Take your vitamins. Trust me, it's good. You'll live so much longer anyway. Okay, sis, so go to sleep. Wear cotton panties. It's not best to wear no panties because you can sweat down there. You don't want to sweat. If you sweat, you're going to wake up with a yeast infection. You don't want that. So wear your cotton underwear. Wear loose, breathable clothing. Do not wear clothes that's like stuck up your vagina. Don't do that. Wear loose fitted clothes like stretchy jeans. Do not wear anything that's gonna like stop your vagina from breathing, okay sis? I hope that I helped you. Just remember that if your girlfriend's smelling a little fishy down there, have her go to the OBGYN, get her on some antibiotics. The BB literally cures in about 3 days, but you gotta take the full course of antibiotics. If you stop taking it, it can reoccur real soon, like fast. Don't throw it away after it clears up. Keep taking it. Trust me. When I have sex with a condom. Don't be out here just having sex raw, because sperm can throw off your pH as well, and y'all don't want that. Have the guy wash up, period, before y'all have sex, because any type of bacteria that can get up in there can throw off your pH. So make sure you wash up before you have sex. Make sure he does too. And also when you get done having sex, urinate. Even if y'all use the condom, urinate. Keep that pH under control and y'all gonna be married forever, sis. Okay, sis. Once again, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I'm out this bitch. I gotta go feed these kids. They hungry.